Hope you learned how to solve the first layer. If not, please see the link in the description below. Now we need to solve the second layer. Now face the yellow. Find an edge piece without yellow. This has yellow, so this won't work. This doesn't have yellow, so this will work. Move it around until it matches the center. It matched the center. Now we need to find which side it needs to go. This has red and blue, so I need to put it over here so it can match. This thing needs to go to this hand side, so we need to move it away. Then do upside down side with this hand. Up, side, down, side. Now move it to the other hand and hit it. And do up, side, down, side. It matched. Now find another edge piece without yellow. It has green and orange and it already matched the center. Orange and green is here, so I need to use this hand algorithm. Move it away, up, side, down, side. Now we need to move it to right hand, hit white and repeat up, side, down, side. It matched. Find another edge piece. This has red and green. Match their center. Now green and red centers are here, so now we need to use this hand. Move it away and repeat up, side, down, side. Now we need to use left hand. Hit white, up, side, down, side. It matched. Now we need to fix the last corner. It matched the center. This edge piece needs to come over here. We need to use this hand algorithm. Move it away, up, side, down, side. Now we need to use left hand. Hit the white, up, side, down, side. We are done. Now we're done with second layer. In some cases, the required edge piece might be stuck here. In such cases, take any random piece. Insert here and repeat the same algorithm. Please remember to repeat this minimum 10 times before going for third layer. The Rubik's Cube is solved.